I suppose every Legos project has its mishaps. This is my first project, so I'm learning as I go. This is part of the Lego dried flowers centerpiece from the botanical collection. I've done 6 out of 7 bags of pieces. There's videos, a whole bunch of them, I'll link in the description. Some are time-lapsed and some are in real time. There's one more set of pieces to go until I somehow attach these 2 pieces together into the Lego dried flowers centerpiece. But the last bag, bag 6, had some bloopers in store for me. Little mishaps. Here's what the whole project looks like. Little mishaps that, see if you can count how many of them there are in this bloopers video. It just kept happening and it was so funny I had to record it and share. Thanks for laughing along with me, subscribing, watching, and checking out my mixed media art tutorials too. I'm an art teacher. Thank you for watching. Oh, and let me know what kind of bloopers you've experienced with Legos as well. It helps to laugh at life, and I shared these bloopers, these Lego bloopers with you for that reason. I wonder what's going to happen in the next video. I can't wait to finally finish up this Lego project. Check it out. Also drop a message in the comments and let me know what kind of Lego mishaps you've experienced. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson here at Creative Solace Studios.